Terry Smith argues flagship fund could handle £30 billion. Terry Smith has argued his flagship fund Smith Equity Fund could manage £30 billion without hitting performance thanks to the market capitalization of the companies he invests in. Smith was questioned about capacity in the £19.7 billion fund, which tops SEIC tables for size, in an investor call this month. "I don't know an exact answer," he said, but added capacity would be an awful lot bigger than the current size. The average size of the 28 companies in the portfolio is £114 billion, meaning a 1% stake in each holding would create a £30 billion fund, he said. Fundsmith's largest holding is Microsoft, which has a market cap of $1.3 trn, £1 trn. PayPal and Philip Morris, which round out the top three holdings, are $137.4 billion, £105.3 billion, and £134 billion respectively. U.S. condiment business McCormick & Company and Spanish IT company Amadeus are the top 10 holdings, with the smallest market caps at $23 billion, £17.6 billion, and €32 billion, £27.0 billion, respectively. Alongside the EIC fund, a SICAV created ahead of Brexit holds €4.5 billion, £3.8 billion, according to TrustNet. Smith described Sage and IHG, both FTSE 100 constituents with market caps around £8 billion, among the bottom end of what we can do. "I think all of us that are based in the UK can sometimes have, unsurprisingly, a bit of a UK-centric bias in terms of our thinking," he said. "Actually, the size of our fund in relation to the world at large out there of investment is not that great. It does sound like a sum of money, but we could get the entirety of our fund into a number of companies that we invest in without even having a declarable stake." Morgan Stanley Global Brands is the second largest fund in the Investment Association global sector after Fundsmith Equity, with £12.8 billion assets under management, according to FundInfo. It is followed by Nick Train's £8.5 billion Linsell Train Global Equity Fund and the £8.4 billion Vanguard Global Stock Index Fund. DWS Top Dividend is the largest FCA-recognized offshore global fund with £17.5 billion, according to FundInfo. For more on this story, visit the news article link.